Dear students, welcome to your English lesson for today. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning about compound nouns. At the end of the lesson, we will review what is a noun and we will identify different compound nouns. These are your key vocabulary for today. Now, the first word is noun. A noun is a naming word. The second word is compound noun. A compound noun is a noun that is formed from two or more words. Now, if you would like to go over these words one more time, you can pause and go back in the video to listen to them again. Now, to get warmed up for the lesson and to understand compound nouns a little more, you can pause this video and go back to the main PowerPoint and play the following video about compound nouns. For today's lesson, you will need your copybook and your pencil, so you can pause the video to get your resources ready. Now, before we get started, I have a question for you. I would like you to name two types of nouns. Amazing! We have a proper noun and we have a common noun. Now, a proper noun is a specific capitalized noun. A common noun is a general noun and it is not capitalized, which means that it does not begin with a capital letter. Now let's get started with the lesson for today. We are going to be learning about compound nouns. A compound noun often has a meaning that is different from the two separate words that you put together. So for example, if I have the word gold, it will mean something different. If I have the word fish, it will mean something different. But if I put them together, I will get a goldfish, which is a type of fish that you keep in a tank. So a compound noun is when you take two separate nouns and you put them together to make a new word. Here are some examples of compound nouns. Now, can you match up these pictures to make compound nouns? Can you write the compound words you have made? So for this part of the lesson, you will need your copybook and your pencil, and you will be writing down the compound nouns that you make. Now remember, a compound noun is when you take two separate nouns, you put the words together and you get an entirely new word. Let's look at the first example together. I have butter, and if I put a fly next to it, I will get a butterfly. If I have a cow and a boy, I will get a cowboy. Good job. Eye and lid, I will get an eyelid. Rain and coat, I will get a raincoat. Brilliant work. Now don't forget, you can pause the video to write these words down. We have one more. We have cup and cake, which makes a cupcake. Now, can you use one of the compound words you have made in a sentence? So you can choose any of the compound words that you have made. Remember, you made butterfly, cowboy, eyelid, cupcake, and raincoat. You can choose any one of these compound nouns and you can put it in your own sentence. Don't forget to write it down. Now, can you spot all the compound words in this picture? Can you write a sentence using two of the compound words in this picture? So first we are going to identify the different compound words. Amazing! We have a snowflake. We have a fireplace. We have a gingerbread. We have a snowball. And we have a snowman. Now, can you write a sentence using two of the compound words in this picture? So you can choose any two that you would like and you can write a sentence. Now, here's an example of a sentence that you could write at the bottom. The girl has a snowball in one hand and gingerbread man in the other. Now you can make your own sentence. Now can you match up the words on these jigsaw pieces to make compound nouns? Can you write the compound words you have made? I want you to click on the yellow pieces to check your answer. So we are going to start going over each one. Now we have the word doorway, good job. Farmyard, amazing work. Earthquake, brilliant, amazing work. Grapefruit, good job. Copycat and flapjack, amazing work, well done. Now this sneaky sphinx has 3 riddles for you. Can you work out the answers? Each one is a compound noun. So let's go over the first riddle. My first part helps you to hear. My second part is a shiny circle you wear around your finger. What am I? Good job, an earring, because you use your ears to hear and you put a ring around your finger. Well done. Now let's go over the second riddle. My first part is what you do with a toy. My second part is the surface that everything stands on. What am I? Amazing, a playground, because you play with a toy and you stand on the ground. Good job. Let's go over the third riddle. My first part is extremely speedy. You would find my second part on the beach or in a desert. What am I? Wonderful! Quicksand! Good job! Amazing work! Now here is a challenge that is just right for you. You can choose any of the challenges that you would like to do, and I would like you to do it in your copybook. Now, amazing work for today's lesson, my loves. Well done. I would like you to click on the following link to complete the live worksheet. Amazing work for today. I will see you in the next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.